the college and here I am to throw light upon why formal education is a necessity. शिक्षा वो रक्षक है जो अपने सपनों को साकार में बदल सकती है। शिक्षा वो पंख है जो हमें ऊंचाइयों तक उड़ने की क्षमता देती है और इसीलिए शिक्षा हमारे भविष्य की नींव है जिसे हमें मजबूती से निर्माण करना चाहिए। So what do you mean by formal education basically? It is a structured and organized way of learning that can take place through schools, colleges and universities. It is institutionalized learning which is systematic, planned, assessed and most importantly certified. Whereas informal education is something that takes place outside of the traditional classrooms, anytime, anywhere. तो सवाल ये आता है कि formal education ही क्यों? Informal education जरूरी क्यों नहीं? So for that we need to compare both of them. Formal education is structured. Formal education is systematic. मतलब ये that learners don't have to waste their time to set a learning path. They just have to focus on specific learning goals which are allotted to them. Whereas informal education is unplanned, unstructured and unsystematic. Learners have to waste a lot of time thinking कि आखिर वो अपने goals achieve कैसे करें. औपचारिक शिक्षा में कोई प्रोफेसर या कोच होता है which have expertise in their field. अनौपचारिक शिक्षा में कोई निर्धारित शिक्षक नहीं होता. The most important aspect of formal education is accreditation and assessment. Through quizzes, formal assignments, it keeps a check on students' learning. Whereas also in औपचारिक शिक्षा में आपको अपने कर्मों के भी फल मिलते हैं in the form of a certification or a degree जो समाज में आपको खुद की एक पहचान देती है. Savitribai once said, "Awake, arise, and agitate. Smash traditions, liberate." शिक्षा का उद्देश्य एक खाली दिमाग को एक खुले दिमाग में बदलना है. So, formal education helps to build a modern society. It improves adaptability, which helps the individuals to survive with such rapid technological advancements. It fosters human rights education, which empowers our future generation. It also fosters leadership roles and higher incomes because at the end of the day, पैसा ही सब कुछ है. A bitter truth. Do you know literacy rate in India has increased from 43.6% in 1981 to 77.7% in 2017, according to US Census Bureau. Out of the literate women in India, 39% के पास केवल प्राथमिक या उससे भी कम की शिक्षा है. So what are the barriers to formal education? Poverty, gender inequality, disabilities, language barriers. Vidya sarvasya bhushanam. Education is everyone's ornament. Implementations should be made to remove these barriers. At last, I would like to add one thing. ज्ञान ही शक्ति है. स्वतंत्रता जानकारी है. जानकारी स्वतंत्रता है और प्रत्येक परिवार और समाज के लिए शिक्षा प्रगति का आधार है. जय हिंद.